Copitor Script is a simple 3ds Max tool that helps you quickly copy objects, modifiers, and settings from one object to another, saving time and making your workflow more efficient. To install Copitor Script in 3ds Max, first copy the Copitor Script files and paste them into the Scripts folder inside the 3ds Max installation folder. Then, open 3ds Max as administrator. Then go to Scripting, Run Script, and select the Copitor Script file. After that, go to Customize, Customize User Interface, Toolbars. Set Group to Main UI and Category to ZOFD Tools. Find Copitor in the command list and drag and drop it onto a toolbar to create a shortcut for quick and easy access. After installing the Copitor script, it is important to test it to make sure it is working correctly. Create 2 or more objects in the scene, select the source object, and use Copitor to copy its settings or modifiers to the target object. If the properties are transferred correctly, the script has been successfully installed and is ready to use.